Hello, welcome to Module 3. In this lab, we are going to exploit the document or attached file system and hack into Windows 10 machine. To do so, we have few prerequisites. Let's have a look. First thing is, we will check our IP addresses, make sure our attacker machine and target machines are running on same network. Next, we will look for installed Microsoft Office suites. So in my case, I am using Microsoft Office 2013. In attacker machine, first we will send an email to victim. Let's victim click on that email, download the document file that will be attached with the email. Once the victim opens up document file, we should get a reverse connection. And once we have the reverse connections, we can actually read this file as a proof of concept we indeed hacked this system. And this file says flag : we can get hacked by doc file. Let's see if we can perform this task or not. So let's get started. Now, before we jump into anything, let's log into our email address first. So for that, I will be opening up Firefox and then log into our email account. Okay, so I logged it into my email account. Here you can see this one says I am junkbox@outlook.com. So let's get started. First, as an attacker, we will be sending up the malicious email. So to do so, I'm gonna use my Linux machine, that is attacker machine. I need to log in and then we can just go fish me by malware and then we'll just use the script to send this email. I am using this email address, sending a message to imjunkbox@outlook.com. Now, once we get access to that, we should run our PowerShell Empire script to receive the incoming connections from the target system. So we'll start it. Okay, we started our system. We see we have one listener is activate and for agents we have nothing. So let's have it running in background. We go back to our email client. We see there is an email. Let's open it up. And this email says, hello, this is very important email. Open the attached document file for more information. So let's do that. I'm going to save this file on my computer. So I'll save this file. Right click here. Open this file. Currently we have no access or nothing on our attacker window. Let's have this file open. Now, whenever you download something from internet, especially a document file, something went wrong. Oh, seems like my system memory is full. Okay, let's try it opening by going into the location and then double clicking on the file. So we'll open a file explorer, documents, and then the file. Okay, so seems like some issue with our computer. Let me fix it real quick. Let's try it again. Okay, it worked. So the first thing you see is running is a protected view, and that is a Microsoft feature. Whenever you download any document from internet, it will run on a protected view. If I need to edit this file, we have to click on enable editing. Now it will run as a normal Windows thing, and there's a thing says, hey, macros have been disabled. Let's enable the content. What could go wrong, right? And this file could say anything, right? We just have a hello just to say this is a common Windows file. Let's close up this file, and we just click on don't save. I just don't want to save this file now. And if you look into our attacker window, and we see we are getting a shell. Now when everything is finished, we see there is a shell with this ID. We can do system or sysinfo, and it should print out the system information for us. Now we can read the file that is in my desktop. To do so, first we'll start with vwd to see where are we. We're into documents, so we'll go one directory up, then we go into desktop. Right, this is what your C programs looks like. So if you go to this PC and C drive, go to users, go to WhizHack. Now we were into documents, right? So what I did is I went one directory up and then jump into documents. Now once I did that, if I do dir, we should be able to see we have proof.txt here. So we can just do download proof.txt. It will run a command. Okay, and this says it's downloaded. So let's copy the path, exit out from our terminal, and then we can just do cd, put the path, and if you do, there is a proof.txt, and we can read that says we can get hacked by doc file. This is exactly what we have in our desktop, right? So hence it's proved having a malicious document file, our system can get compromised. So always make sure you are not running anything from internet, even that comes in your email. That could be dangerous, right? You see, it looks like an innocent Word file. The moment you open it up, it will ask you for a disable content. If you don't trust the document file, do not click on that button or ribbon that says enable the content. So this is all we have for this video. If you have any questions, please drop it on discussion forum and we will be answering it. Thank you.